We're changing our 4-cabin boat into a 3-cabin boat, adding the features that we want and changing the interior to a modern, light, bright interior. I'm sitting at my computer where I've put in Area 3 into Rhino 4 3D design program. The advantage of having the design in 3D is that I can see the original design, I can make changes and see if I like them, I can check the proportions, get the sizes, and have a very good idea of what I want before I start. So this is the starboard forward cabin, has a set of bunks in it, hallway, forward toilet, shower unit, hanging locker, the forward cabin V berth. I'll turn the hull off and we'll have a better look. This is the mattress area, so you at the present time lie down on here and put your feet under a locker, this deck locker, and this area is very small, very narrow. I will make several changes. Last week you saw me take out these side shelves. So that's a new one. Forward cupboards I've gone already, and we put a hull window in here. Next I'm going to take out this hanging locker, this bulkhead. So the hanging locker is going to go port, bulkhead, oops, those starboard bulkheads are going to go, and the bunks and everything and empty out from there. That'll give me a little bit more space to work in, and then I'm going to lower this berth down 100 millimeters to a little closer to the water tank, and I'm going to move it aft so that we get a wider berth and our feet aren't going underneath here. We'll turn the bed off, and then this is what I'm going to do for forward water tank. I'm going to put in a new shower area at the back here. New bed. This bulkhead is going to come down, seal off the deck locker. I'm going to cut the bottom out of the deck locker and make the deck locker larger. This berth is coming back so that the new mattress will actually sit there. It gives us a queen size mattress. And then I'll put in some side shelves here alongside the berth, and a locker here. Hanging locker. This will become a hanging locker on this side. The toilet is going to come out from here and move to over here. The shower will be a full-size stand-up shower. And my wife, of course, wants a washing machine. Very important to have a washing machine. So we're going to put a washing machine where the toilet used to be. Alright. Now that I know what I need to do and what's going to look nice, let's get stuck in and do it. On our above area 44 we have the 4-cabin version. So we're going to turn it into a 3-cabin version. To bow starboard we have double bunks. And the 4-peak cabin, I'm going to take out this wall. Is going to go, and we're going to turn this forward of the mast into one big cabin. We're going to keep the bathroom, and in the back here is going to be a shower unit. Next stage, strip everything out, and take everything out. I mean, bulkheads, hanging lockers gone, fourth double bunk bedroom's gone, everything's gone. You can see where all the partitions were glass to the hull. Everything's gone. Now, next stage is I'm going to lower this berth in the bow and bring it aft. So from here we start putting in bulkheads. I'll show you as we work through that. I have lowered the bunk berth 100 millimeters, and the berth will also be coming aft, and this anchor locker wall will be going all the way down. So the berth will actually be coming back another 600 millimeters to here. The holding tank area in the toilet is going to become a hanging locker. So this bulkhead is being moved this much forward. The berth front will go all the way down, so the berth is actually moving back this far. And over this corner it's going to be a shower and hanging locker drawers this side. I've moved the bulkheads, lowered the berth, added a new bulkhead. There's the berth coming aft, 500 mil. This is going to be the shower area. New bulkhead here. Now to put in the hanging lockers, fronts, and side panels. Front cabin changes. You see, today I'm going to work on the shower unit. I need to fill in this bulkhead area, cut it back to the right distance for the corner. And everything's now being glassed. Top's gone in, bottom's gone in, hanging locker. Now we have a door on the main bulkhead. Okay. This is going to be the berth. We've added windows. And we're going to have these panels will be vinyl velcroed onto the ply strips. Okay. The berth moved back. Before, our feet used to go into there and the total berth length was here. I've moved the berth back, closed off the area at the front. This gives us an area for a large set of drawers. On the starboard side we've got storage hatches. Will be another set of drawers, hanging locker, and this is going to be our shower. It's going to be a big shower. It's 800 by 800, and then toilet, holding tank behind. I'll finish the area once the holding tank arrives. Back over, the bathroom has changed a little bit. The toilet is now missing. It's going to move to the starboard side, but it's going to be electric. So I've built a box shelf support, and we've put in a washing machine. Get the washing machine in, I've had to go through what's going to be a hanging locker. And the washing machine is going to be inside the hanging a little different. This is the width of the washing machine. That gives us a washing machine, which keeps my wife very, very happy, and a very large full height hanging locker. Okay. You guys may recognize if you door to the third cabin used to be here. I've used a lot of the door trims, corner posts. The next stage now is to cover all the surfaces in a laminate to give an oak style wood finish. We've gone to a lighter wood, but keeping the corner trims. Update on the front cabin. Been doing the hull lining panels, the window closing, headliners to go up underneath. That's what all the panel plywood is on these sides. You see I've formica'd the bulkheads, formica'd the hanging lockers over this side. Inside the hanging lockers formica, and then the surrounds around the beds. Today I am going to be formica'ing this bulkhead, and then this hanging locker you can see is the back of a washing machine. I had to cut this door bigger, put the washing machine in. The toilet and shower unit will be over here. Full big stand-up shower, full headroom, nice big shower, and the toilet and holding tank will be over the other side. Update on the forward cabin. So you now got the hull side linings in, and the bulkhead materials changing. So the bulkheads are keeping the corner posts in mahogany, but the walls becoming like an oak. And these panels will be vinyled. We've got the hull window and my temporary tester. Okay. Over the other side is all the wood. It's working in a very small area and building everything inside the boat. Hanging lockers, shower will be. Still got to work a lot on that. Back over this side. Today I'm making all these bulkheads, putting a formica liner on them to turn them into oak like this. Still got drawers, the rest of the floor to finish off, other bits and pieces. And the forward head, I have to take that skin off the door, it's MDF, so it doesn't last well with water. Put on a proper marine plywood and then formica it with this wall finish. Today I'm going to use Perfection high gloss 2-part lacquer, Snow White, to do our headliner. Okay. It's going to be rolled on and then brush tipped out. Let's see how this comes out. Such a long roll.
Uh-oh. Finish. Again?
While I'm building the step and the forward cabin, i.e. my workshop, Jan's doing her morning yoga. Today's job is to finish full microing the fronts and install them onto the drawer units here. So, and then I'm getting very close to being finished. It's looking pretty good now. Drawers are in. Catches and that to do yet. Looking good. Looking more complete all the time. Fantastic. Oh! Time to go sailing. There is a monumental amount of work that goes in behind that I can't just show you. Like this shower unit, flooring, fully glass, sealed floor before putting tiles down, cutting and installing electrical outlets, running the wiring for lighting, USB outlets. There's an amazing amount of work. You just can't give up. Keep saying to yourself, I'm one day closer to finishing, and then one day you actually finish. Time for a look at the completed project. It's taken quite a bit of time and a lot of effort and a lot of details that I haven't shown. Queen size bed. Now I can sleep either way around. Cupboards. Little details like slipper locker, drawers, hanging lockers, and one of the big requirements was a full stand-up shower. The head is over this side, holding tank behind the mirror there. Okay. A lot of detail lighting's been added to give effect. This is where the original lights were. They're totally different now. Details like 240 volt power supply, USB, more USBs. If you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell to follow along next week as we start to renovate the boat after the mast.